You guys need to sell? You need to sell? Like now? That's not how to prospect, okay? This is what you need to do. We're generating a list. We're generating relationships, okay? So when you call, have a script that reaches out for value and learn how to be sociable on the phone and talk to people and adapt and have fun, okay? A script ain't gonna do it for you. A script keeps you in line. You gotta go in and out of that script and be bumping and jiving and grooving throughout that call. Man, loosen up a little bit, okay? So here's what you wanna do. You want to call every day. Let's say you call 50 people, phone numbers, you talk to 10 people, you have 3 good conversations for follow-up. Can just be to keep in touch, email list. They might not even sell or buy right now or in the future. It might be 12, 24, 36 months, who knows? Generate a list. You get 3 conversations each day, that's 15 a week, that's 60 a month. At the end of the year, you got around 700 good potential people, okay? That's business. Follow me, RE with JMG.